you guys want to hear this bike, because it's got Rockford Fosgate audio
Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate. So we...
Not too loud.
If you want it all the way up, you'll come on down and we'll give you a nice kind of test drive, if you will, sitting in it and seal. So Harley-Davidson audio used to have the Stage 2 boom audio. They kind of phased out. We did a lot of Rockford Fosgate from Rockford Fosgate. This gets a little confusing because the boom Stage 2s kind of had a street rep of blowing speakers. And the reason for that is the bass that you can't hear when you're going down the road with wind noise and engine noise, all those lower tones, you can't hear. So you're just turning the volume up, and unbeknownst to you, that speaker is just really overextending and working, and you stop at the next red light or somewhere and your speaker is blown. So we used to do, Rockford Fosgate kind of stepped onto the scene and was doing their kits. Great audio. If you want to hear it at 100 miles per hour, you can. It's just a little pitchy. It's a lot of treble, not a whole lot of mid and bass, and they do that specifically because they tune it above the frequency of wind so you can hear it while you're going down the road. But a lot of us have grown accustomed to that depth of music. So Rockford Fosgate and Harley-Davidson combined to build this system. So this is Harley-Davidson audio powered by Rockford Fosgate is the branding. 1 amp. So your first amplifier goes here. He's got it all packed up ready for his trip.
Oh yeah.
So you got a 400 watt amplifier here. This will do up to 4 speakers. This bike, if you haven't noticed already, 1, 2, 3, 4 pair of speakers. So 8 speakers.
Times 2.
So this has a second amplifier in the other saddlebag.
No saddlebag.
Same
Nice
location.
and sleek, tucked back so you still have usable space in your bags.
Doesn't eat up a lot of space. Those are all tested, designed. Again, Harley-Davidson, all of their parts and accessories go through what they call the hogwash, vibration testing at the Product Development Center. So these are not your XYZ car audio stabbing a stereo in your motorcycle that's going to be shaken to death and water's going to destroy it in no time. This is all fully warrantable, built by Harley-Davidson for Harley-Davidson motorcycles, designed for the heat and the cold and the vibration and the moisture, all good to go. We get a lot of people ask, well, what about the speaker out in the rain? That's why, if you notice, this lip comes over the front so air can blow through and evacuate any water that does get in there when it's parked. But again, all those components are built and tested. It's sealed. It doesn't leak into your saddlebag. This is all fully designed for the motorcycle space by Harley-Davidson. Has bass management. So as you're going down the road, based on environment, throttle, wheel speed, it is taking bass out and tuning it up so you can hear it, but it's not going to abuse the stereo. R2, so real world environment, again, it's adjusting the EQ settings while you're going down the road, so you always have optimal sound. And then the speakers are all directional, so they're all pointed at you. So this is the best listening experience sitting in here on the seat as opposed to standing beside it.
That's amazing, guys. So much information. Harley-Davidson, premium product, premium experience.